Hello, my name is Ellie Mercer, and today I will be delivering you how to get involved in the reduction of human trafficking to positively make a difference in our society. One big goal we must set for ourselves with this topic of human trafficking is to make others aware of the signs I mentioned in my last speech, of what a person being trafficked would show. It is important to make others aware so as to be able to identify when and how to take action. My personal goal is to promote services like Micah's Promise that help rehabilitation and stop sex trafficking, so as they gain more support and funds as a nonprofit organization. If you want more information on Micah's Promise, go to www.micahspromise.org. Your mothers, daughters, friends, family, and neighbors are being used in dehumanizing actions as we speak. This alone should be an incentive to get involved and begin taking action so as to help others fight for their freedom. As ourrescue.org says, although running away or dialing for help may appear to be simple, feasible solutions, victims of human trafficking are experiencing both physical and psychological abuse that hinders the possibility of escape. Number 1, intimidation. There are threats of violence against the victim's family and loved ones. Number 2, debt bondage. The trafficker requires their victims to repay all debts, real or not real, before they can be liberated. 3. Isolation. The victims is unfamiliar with the language of the country they are in and often do not know how to get around. Number 4, emotional attachment. Traffickers manipulate victims to believe they are in love with them. These are all reasons that a sex trafficking victim may not leave their abuser. This means it is up to us to help these people leave or be rescued. Volunteering or donating money to nonprofit organizations like Micah's Promise is easy. If you don't feel that is your calling, donating money can help them continue their work they are doing. Simply bringing up how important this issue is in conversations is another step to bringing more awareness to others of what is going on and how to stop it. It is up to us to bring an end to trafficking, and I hope you will join me in this fight. Thank you for listening.